Hello everyone, today, let's learn nature-inspired kanji together.
山、川、火、月、火、水、木、土、雨。
Let's write each kanji together, one by one. Okay, let's get started.
山、
Mountain. It looks like a mountain, doesn't it?
山、川、
River. Doesn't this one look like a flowing river?
川、 火、
This kanji also resembles the shape of the sun.
火、 月、
Moon. It's inspired by the shape of the moon.
月、火、
This kanji means fire. The shape looks like fire bursting out.
火、水、
This kanji means water. Its shape comes from the image of flowing water.
水、木、
This kanji means tree. Its shape comes from the image of a tree with branches.
木、土、
This kanji means soil. It looks like a lump of mud sitting on the ground.
土、雨。
This kanji means rain. It's a pictograph that shows drops falling from a cloud.
雨。
Time to review.
山、川、火、月、火、水、木、土、雨。
Thanks for joining me on this nature kanji adventure. See you next time.